Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I'm analyzing this stock Bajaj Finserv, and if you want to learn how to do analysis, you can contact me on Telegram. Okay, see, this was the swing high of Bajaj Finserv 9,930 rupees, and this was the swing low 3,900 rupees. After that, the stock is actually trading around 11,318 rupees. Okay, what is the near term resistance? If you'll watch this stock closely, you will find out 11,565 is the near term resistance. What is the resistance afterward? You will find out that 12,400, which is actually the price of a Nifty. The stock is actually going to hit that price, right? What can happen in near term? Okay, if you'll watch this stock and try to analyze the behavior of this stock has actually given huge returns, almost 30,000% return in 12 years. Okay, from the journey of 70 rupees to 10,000 rupees, it is remarkable, right? What can happen in this stock? See, if you will analyze this stock in EMA terms, you will find out that the stock is currently trading above all of its EMA, which means the stock is super bullish, right? And the stock has a support of 10,555 rupees now, right? And this level, which is 9,944, which was acting as a resistance previously, okay, that has been broken out clearly, and the stock is currently in a upside bullish trend. Okay, it had its earning few days back around 28th of April. Okay, and the stock made a phenomenal upside growth. Okay, what can happen in near term? See, if you will watch this stock in 30-minute time frame, you will find out that the stock is actually making this sort of a pattern. Okay, see, the stock is actually making this sort of a pattern, right? And it has also given a breakout above this pattern. Okay, this was a flag kind of a pattern, and the stock has actually given a breakout above that, and it is closed above this pattern. Okay, what can happen? See, if tomorrow the stock gives an upside breakout, okay, and continues to go towards the upside above 11,450.60, okay, 50.60, then only we will consider buying this stock. But let 115-minute candle close first, then only consider buying or selling this stock. And if the stock continues to come down towards this level, then you can short this stock below this level of 11,200. Okay, thank you for watching.